How's it going, guys? This is just a quick little disappointment that I'm gonna post. So SCOTTS failed me. See this stuff? SCOTTS Turf Builder. You pay $5.99, $6.99 a bag for this stuff. That's kind of expensive when you gotta start buying numerous bags. So I'm gonna show you. I'm not even gonna cut this. I'm not gonna edit it. But look at this shit. I don't know if you can see this. Stone, 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 stone. So I put this down on my putting green, and I'm going over this with a reel mower, my John Deere, and I'm not okay with this. That stuff's gonna eat up my blades, it's gonna chew it, it's gonna chip it, and that's gonna cost a lot of money to sharpen it. I'll probably do it myself, but nonetheless, the average person is gonna have to send it out, and it's gonna cost you a few $100s. That's not cool. SCOTTS, you failed on this one. This is just an honest truth. Like, look at this. I can go anywhere. Stone, stone, stone. Literally, there's tons of stones in here. That's not cool. So I just wanted to show you guys this. No edit. This will be a quick 1-minute video, maybe something like that. But you need to see this. Don't buy it if you're using it for something like this or on your lawn for what it's called for. Not cool. So that's after watering the putting green for the last, when did I put the seed down? On Saturday. So it's been, what, 4 days? And now it's kind of compacting and the crap's clearing off it just after initially throwing it out of the bag. There's just stones all over the place, like almost hundreds of them. Do not buy this if you're using it on something fine like this. That's terrible. You should say that right on the front of the bag. Contains huge stones. Sorry, SCOTTS, you failed me on this one.